Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. This isn't just stir-fried rice, it's an art form. Khao pad skillfully balances the key Thai flavors, sweet, sour, salty, and spicy, often in a single bite. Learning the secrets to this popular dish means achieving that unique restaurant quality right in your own kitchen. We're going to break down exactly what makes khao pad special. You'll learn about the key ingredients you absolutely need, the special techniques to get the right texture, and how to cook this classic dish perfectly, every time. Get ready to elevate your weeknight dinner rotation with authentic Thai flavor. The holy trinity of Thai flavor: sweet, sour, and salty perfection. Thai fried rice stands out because it embraces the core flavor profile of the country, the strategic blend of sweet, sour, and salty elements. This creates a multi-layered taste profile that hits different parts of your palate. It is the signature characteristic of Thai cooking. The flavor magic comes from three key components. Fish sauce. This provides the deep, savory, salty, and umami backbone. Unlike table salt, fish sauce adds a rich complexity that darkens and flavors the dish. Lime juice. Fresh lime juice, often added right at the end, provides a necessary sour brightness. This acidity prevents the dish from feeling heavy or flat. Sugar. A small amount of sugar, typically white or palm sugar, balances the acidity and saltiness, introducing subtle sweetness. This completes the roundness of the flavor. In contrast, most Chinese and Japanese fried rice recipes center on soy sauce, which provides saltiness and deep savoriness but lacks the essential sour component from lime. This Thai approach ensures a livelier, more dimensional taste than the often mono-flavored richness of soy sauce-based dishes. Step by step, mastering Thai fried rice cooking technique. Making restaurant-quality khao pad at home requires more than just the right ingredients, it demands a solid technique. Fried rice is all about speed and heat. If you cook too slowly, your rice will steam, not fry. The following steps guide you through quick, high-heat cooking to ensure every grain is flavorful, dry, and distinctly separate. This process is key to achieving that beautiful smoky flavor known as wok hei, even if you are using a standard home stove and skillet. Prep your ingredients first, mise en place for quick cooking. The single biggest mistake home cooks make with fried rice is not prepping everything ahead of time. The actual cooking of khao pad takes perhaps 5 to 8 minutes, total. Once the heat is on, you will not have time to chop vegetables or measure sauces. Preparation, or mise en place, is not optional here, it is essential for success. Start by having all of your proteins cut, vegetables chopped, onions, garlic, tomatoes, etc., and side garnishes ready on the counter. Everything should be within easy reach of your stove. We use an organized approach that ensures smooth transitions and perfect timing. Chop and separate. Keep your soft vegetables, like tomatoes or spring onions, separate from the hard aromatics, like garlic and onion, and proteins. Mix the sauce. Combine all your liquid seasonings, fish sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, white pepper, etc., in a small bowl. This prevents you from fumbling with multiple bottles mid-fry. Fluff the rice. Before you start, take your cold, day-old rice and break up any large clumps with your hands or a fork. You need individual grains ready to hit the hot pan. Tip: cooking fried rice is like running a sprint, not a marathon. Having your ingredients prepped means you can focus entirely on temperature control and tossing the rice, guaranteeing a better outcome. The high heat sizzle, cooking aromatics and protein. High heat is your best friend when making fried rice. Use the highest heat your pan or wok can safely handle. You need that intense, instantaneous cooking power to prevent ingredients from releasing too much water. Your goal in this phase is to create a powerful aromatic base and cook your protein quickly. Heat the oil. Add your high smoke point oil, like peanut or vegetable oil, to the wok or pan. Wait until the oil is shimmering and almost smoking before adding anything. Add aromatics. Toss in finely chopped garlic and any onion. Stir fry for only about 20 to 30 seconds. They should be fragrant, but absolutely not burnt. Burnt garlic will ruin the entire dish. Introduce protein. Immediately add your thinly sliced chicken, shrimp, or firm tofu. Stir continuously, spreading the protein into a single layer on the hot surface to ensure rapid cooking. Shifting techniques. Once the protein is mostly cooked, shrimp is pink, chicken is white, use your spatula to push all the cooked aromatics and protein up the sides of the wok. This clears the hot bottom surface for the next critical step, heating the rice properly. The entire process, from oil to pushing the ingredients aside, should take less than 2 minutes. Releasing the grains, adding the cold rice and frying. The rice step is where you build crucial texture and the wok hei flavor. Remember, we are using cold, dry, day-old rice. This process allows the grains to slightly toast and separate instead of clumping together in a wet mess. Introduce the rice. Dump the cold, pre-fluffed rice directly onto the cleared, hot bottom section of the wok. Do not stir it immediately. Let it sit for about 15 seconds to allow the rice to scorch slightly and heat up rapidly. Breaking and tossing. Start breaking up any remaining clumps using the back of your spatula, pressing them against the hot surface. Immediately begin tossing and stirring aggressively. You must keep the rice moving constantly. The frying goal. Continue tossing for 1 to 2 minutes. The rice should look dry, slightly toasted, and every grain should be individual. When you see a slight golden tint on the grains, you are achieving the correct frying action. This consistent tossing also ensures that the rice is evenly coated with the aromatic oil and slight smokiness from the very hot pan. Do not move to the next step until the rice is completely hot, dry, and separated. Seasoning and finishing touches for perfect flavor balance. The final stage is adding the liquids and delicate ingredients. Timing is everything here to ensure the sauces penetrate the rice and the fresh additions retain their vibrant texture. Mastering Thai fried rice starts with the right balance and timing. Stay tuned for part 2, where we reveal more chef-level tricks to bring that restaurant flavor into your kitchen. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.